using Reddit to publish your ads. Once you have signed up for an account and have gained enough reputation on Reddit, it is time to publish ads for your content. So head to the Reddit ads official page by going to the Promoted tab. Then click the click here option, and you can also scroll all the way down on Reddit to find the advertise button. Either way, both options will get you to the official ad page. On the top right corner of the screen is the place an ad option. Clicking it will direct you to the Reddit ads page. So you need to fill in all the information you need on your content to the blank space that's provided. So start naming your campaign. Then set your preferred audience interests. For example, we're going with books and writing and comics and hobbies. You can also set the target location of your ads to be viewed. So let's go with the United States. Next, you need to add your target subreddits. For example, you want your ads to appear under the subreddit r/books. So also do note that you want your post to be both desktop and mobile friendly. Tick both boxes in the target platform section. Now next is optional. However, if you find this relevant to your content, then you can set the time and the day targeting. Next is for you to set your budget. Now following the information given, all you need to do is set the amount of bid per budget. Then you set the schedule of your ads. You either want it to run continuously or you can manually set the start and end dates. Moving on to the creatives. Over here, you need to set what kind of campaign you're running, whether it's link or tags. Next up, you're going to need a headline, and that's a definite yes. So type the headline of your content and provide a working link in order to drive the traffic to your website. If you scroll down, you can see the preview of your ad in the desktop and mobile format. And this is the preview image of your ad. Click save and continue, and you'll be directed to a summary review of your ad. And this is where you can do a final checkup on your ad before everything is a go. So if everything's in order, submit your ad for approval. And once it's approved, your ad will immediately run. And this is how you use Reddit to syndicate your content. Remember to build your credibility before you start sharing multiple links to your post. It's slow but sure, but the reputation you build will allow you or your content to get the view that it deserves.